Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and a big hello to all of our new viewers. In today's video, we are diving into the world of salvias, but hand-picking the absolute best varieties for mini gardens. These stunning salvias are not only gorgeous, but they're also super low maintenance. They're perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. We've got top perennial salvias and a fantastic annual option to share. So let's just jump right in. Let's just get the annual salvia out of the way. The proven winner's Rockin line of salvia is a stellar choice for all gardens. It comes in gorgeous colors, so shades of blue, fuchsia, and purple, and they are stunningly beautiful salvias that are vigorous growers. These plants are carefree. It will perform beautifully whether you garden in an arid or humid climate, and it is a perennial in zones 8B or 9 and up. My Rockin play in the blue salvia drift is going into its third year here in my zone 8B garden, and it continues to be a stellar performer. This is definitely a low maintenance salvia in that it does not require a lot of water. It can handle full sun even in very hot climates. It has no pest or disease issues, and it blooms from early spring through your first hard frost. It is truly exceptional. They really knocked it out of the park, so to speak, with this one. You will not be disappointed. Next is a great salvia for colder zones. The top pick is Salvia Nemorosa or woodland sage, and specific varieties will be suggested. But first off, these salvia are hardy in USDA zones 4 through 8, so they're a great perennial salvia for colder climates. This easy care, low maintenance salvia has aromatic gray-green foliage that forms a dense clump, and its gorgeous, vibrant flowers attract pollinators to your garden. This salvia will bloom sometime from spring to early summer and into fall for many zone 8 or 9 and above gardens. It performs well in full sun, but it can also flower well in part sun in those hotter climates. Just make sure it has well-drained soil, and then it will become drought tolerant once it is established. Now the top picks are Salvia cardana that looks spectacular with pink flowering echinacea or roses, East Friesland, and the proven winner's Profusion line of salvia. Most of these salvia remain in about the 2 feet in height, 2 feet in width range. Next, if you're looking for a low maintenance salvia for our warmer and hotter climates in zone 7 to 9, and you want a beautiful low maintenance salvia that really has presence, consider Mystic Spires salvia. Now this salvia has gorgeous deep blue blooms that come on a plant that will become about 3 feet in height and 3 feet in width. And those blooms will continue throughout your growing season, only getting knocked back by your first hard frost. It is relatively disease and pest free. You may want to cut it back by half midsummer or late summer, as it will become a little leggy. In zone 7 and 8, it can be a little finicky about sporadic cold snaps. So make sure it is well mulched prior to your first hard frost, and you should see this salvia return year after year. If you're gardening in a warmer zone and you're trying to be as water wise as possible, but you want to grow salvia, then the Mealy cup sage and Salvia Greggii, aka autumn sage, are the top picks for this category. Now, Mealy cup sage will have blue blooms on an easy care plant that can become about 3 feet in height, 3 feet in width. Salvia Greggii is a great choice too. And unlike some of the other salvia, you can find Salvia Greggii with white, pink, red, orange, and even purple blooms that will appear throughout the growing season, matching just about any color aesthetic you have. It is a healthy, disease and pest resistant plant that is also, both of them are also drought tolerant once established. The Salvia Greggii has a bonus of attracting hummingbirds to your garden. Now, this zone 7 to 10 salvia is a no muss, no fuss plant that is also evergreen. The Salvia Greggii will become about 2 to 3 feet in height and width. All of these salvia are deer and rabbit resistant. They pair well with Rudbeckia, Echinacea, lavender, Nepeta, Russian sage, and sedum due to their similar sun and water requirements. Well, that's it. We've done the legwork and have provided specific salvia picks for every garden. If you grow a salvia that you think should have made the list, please share in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day in your garden. Bye.